Hello, everyone. We have with us Roopa today. Roopa has done her bachelor's in mechanical engineer and she has done a master's from US, and that was also into machinery, I should say. Okay. The reason why I'm using machinery is because we have a lot of manufacturing customers as part of AiSPRY, and since Roopa has that experience, I believe she's able to understand the concepts better. Okay, she's now working on road transportation authority related projects, identifying what are the road furniture, which is faulty by, say you drive a car across a 2 kilometer stretch. Using video analytics, you'll be able to determine what are the different equipment, crash barriers, pavements, and then the lane markings, etc. And which of these are faulty, you would come to know. Right. On these kind of projects and a few of the other projects, Rupa is able to do a good job. She's easily able to relate to the concepts. And one more thing is, Rupa also has done her program in advanced management in business analytics from Indian School of Business, right? And we have onboarded Rupa as an intern first, and we have given that internship opportunity through AiSPRY, and she has done a very good job, I should say, on the projects. And
Okay.
thanks to that, we were thoroughly impressed, and she is now with us with AiSPRY, and hopefully she will continue her journey with us on all the other subsequent projects. Okay. So first of all, thank you so much, Rupa, for joining in. And my first question is, despite being from non-IT background, how did you actually nail it, and how did you get into the field of data science? Can you throw some light on that?
Yeah, sure. Because it's my interest for analysis and data that has got me here, and also my work experience has been in data analysis, and I was a business analyst in the US after my master's, and industrial and systems engineering, I believe, gave me the skills to research and analyze data. It gave me a huge interest in statistics, and I also did design of experiments and all those deeper subjects in data. And so yeah, that kind of made me very interested. And my initial job at HSBC with under the OCC chief, like the Office of Comptroller of Currency, he was like a subject matter expert in compliance, regulatory frameworks in banks. So I worked under him for some time, and I gained a lot of knowledge on the regulatory risks, the different kind of risks a bank has to face, and all that. So yeah, and then of course my work at CTB McGraw Hill, and then which is a publisher, educational publisher, we all know in India, and after that at Nielsen, where I had to analyze huge amounts of mobile media data across the 50 states in the United States. So yeah, all that was, yeah, it just helped me. It just made me more inclined to take up data science than anything else. Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. So nice to know. So, despite being from mechanical background, you found interest in analytics, right? Of course, data is everywhere, be it mechanical industry or any other industry. We have data, right? And your domain knowledge, the work experience, everything kind of got you into this zone.
Mhm.
So, Rupa, I would like to ask about the internship work that you did, right, with ASPRI.
Yeah.
How was that different, and how did it help you basically to, become a data scientist, a full-blown data scientist?
Yeah. Uh, yeah, actually, I deem myself fortunate to be able to come under the wing of AI Sprite, and thanks a lot for that. And yeah, I mean, my work at AiSPRY helped me gain so much in terms of skills in Gen AI, and how to think out of the box and how to be more creative. And um, of course, we have so much resources online to use, but at the same time, it made me very confident that yes, I can. There is something in me that I can bring here, and it's not going to go waste. And yeah, I mean, working is definitely a more enlightening experience, and it was such a beautiful extension of what I did at AMPBA, honestly. And I actually enjoyed working a lot on the Gen AI project, because the first project I ever got was to work on CSV data and not just regular PDF files. So, and to
Mhm.
create a chatbot out of that. So, as much of as a challenge it is, looking back, I feel very proud of the kind of work I've been given, and I'm thankful. Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. And Rupa, what would your suggestion be to the students who are undergoing training or who just completed the training? What would you suggest them on, and how should they actually prepare to get into this field of data science?
Right, that's a wonderful question. Yeah, I think the first thing is they should have their eyes and ears open and not judge themselves, first of all. Right, that's the mistake maybe most of us do when we get into this field. So, and just one step at a time, and keep. Keep at the Python, just like you practice math. Keep doing Python every day for at least half an hour, and make sure you allot that time, so that it not only boosts your confidence, but whatever newness you have that you can bring to the table, it'll be it'll definitely add value when you know Python. Yeah, that's
Absolutely.
the kind of advice I would give.
Wonderful,
Yeah.
wonderful, Rupa. So there you go, friends. People who are currently undergoing training or people who have just completed the training, ensure that on a daily basis you practice Python for at least 30 minutes, like what Rupa was saying, so that it boosts your morale and confidence. And eventually that is what you need to get into this field of data science, crack interviews, and ultimately work on projects. Thank you so much, Rupa, for your time. Means
Thank
a
you.
lot. And
Yeah.
your dedication and commitment is extremely commendable. And I'm certain you will scale in leaps and bounds.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Yeah.
And do continue what you're doing, and
Yeah.
success will follow you. Thank you.
Thank you, Varun. Thank you so much.